This is the LATME magnetic wristband. It holds nails, screws, nuts and bolts, even screwdriver bits, and has 15 powerful magnets. Let's take it out of the box. And in the box, of course, is the unit itself, along with a little card. It's got an adjustable Velcro strap, so you just strap this to your wrist, for example. And just to show how powerful these magnets are, if I put it over here, it's strong enough almost to lift the lid on this machine. Here's a pile of screws and wing nuts. One shot, no problem. So there they are, right at easy reach for whatever project you're doing. This is almost like the third hand you could always use while you're doing a project. This is one of those items that you never knew you needed it until you had one. So it's inexpensive, it's very handy, and if you're doing a project that requires a lot of screws or nails or nuts and bolts and stuff like that, you can have everything right at easy reach, and that way it'll make your project go that much faster. So once again, this was the LATME magnetic wristband. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.